Cruise by Mandy. Here we are going between Ushuaia, Argentina. We have now crossed over into the Chile side. We have been passing glaciers now that the clouds have lifted, and they are the most amazing glaciers I've ever seen. I know that I've loved Alaska and the various glaciers there, but oh my goodness, this one here that I'm just now starting the video, I will post some pictures in a second of it, but let's see if that zooms in better. It is the most beautiful glacier I've ever seen. The pretty blue up top, multiple waterfalls coming down, very active. Back that way where the clouds were, there were more glaciers as well, but the clouds have finally lifted, which is phenomenal to be able to see these. We are cruising along pretty slowly. You can see different things here along our route. We're in a more narrow passage. This area, after we left Ushuaia and gone up the Beagle Channel, reminds me so much of the Inside Passage, but it has stepped it up a notch. And this is not the glacier day. This is not the Chilean fjords day. This is like going from point A to point B day. So this has been absolutely phenomenal. We're losing glacier sighting there, but you can see the blue up top, and didn't expect that. I've been watching out the other side and thought, hey, looking at the Google Maps, the mountains look larger on this side, which we cannot see. We've been plagued with the cloud cover today, so we can't see everything. But we did come up this way just because it's like, okay, the map is looking like there's snow-capped mountains on this side, so we'll run over there and take a quick peek. So these are all clouds we're seeing right here. But back there was probably the most phenomenal glacier I have ever seen. You see Mendenhall when you go to Juneau. You see Sawyer Glacier. You see the glaciers in Glacier Bay National Park. These were truly breathtaking. But just a quick glimpse of what it's looking like. This would be something that you would normally see or traverse if you were going on the Cape Horn cruise. It's usually a 14 to 15 night cruise going between Santiago, Chile and Buenos Aires, Argentina. It just gives an idea of what one of these days could look like, and this was totally unexpected. Just happened to be watching Google Maps and marine traffic to see where I was and what was going on. So, Cruise by Mandy, signing off from on board here the Royal Princess, her very first time south of the equator.